Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are safe and doing great. So today in this video I'm going to talk about one common problem, which is dark circle problem. I'm going to share with you 2 DIY remedies to remove your dark circles. Honestly speaking, this video is just not like that कि एक दिन में सभी dark circle खत्म हो जाएंगे. It depends upon how much dark circle you have. अगर आपके dark circle बहुत ज़्यादा है, then it takes 2 to 3 weeks to show the result. But if you continue to do this, then it definitely remove your dark circles. Before starting the video, make sure you subscribe my channel. Also like, comment and share my video. And here is my Instagram ID. You can follow me on Instagram. तो चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं. टेक 1 पोटैटो, अच्छी तरह से इसे छील लीजिए एंड देन वॉश कर लीजिए. Grate it and collect the juice. Potato has natural bleaching properties which help to reduce dark circles. Now I am adding half teaspoon coffee and half teaspoon turmeric powder and mix all the ingredients. Coffee is rich source of antioxidant properties which help to reduce dark circles and puffiness under the eyes. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties which is also helps to remove dark circles.
Nothing is my face right now. You can clearly see my dark circles.
Now apply that serum using cotton pads. I know I'm gonna look very funny, still I'm gonna continue to do this. So let's do this. Simply I put it under my eyes like this and leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes. So I left that cotton pad for 15 minutes and then washed my face with normal water. अब हम बनाएंगे आई क्रीम. Take 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, 3 vitamin E capsules, half tablespoon rose water. Aloe vera soothes and moisturize your under eye area. Vitamin E fights with wrinkles problem and moisturize your under eye area. Rose water soothe and hydrate your under eye. अब अच्छी तरह से मिक्स कर लीजिए. After mixing, the eye cream looks like this. Now store it in an airtight container. You can store it for 15 days in room temperature. So now the next step is applying eye cream. Massage your under eye area with this cream. अगर आपके dark circle बहुत ज़्यादा है, then use this serum 4 times in a week and apply that eye cream every day before sleeping. Otherwise, you can use this serum 2 to 3 times in a week and apply eye cream every day. When you see your dark circles are removed completely, then you don't need to use serum. In that case, you just apply eye cream. इसी के साथ साथ अच्छी नींद लीजिए, अपनी बॉडी को हाइड्रेटेड रखिए, स्ट्रेस कम लीजिए, प्रॉपर डाइट रूटीन फॉलो कीजिए. So this video is complete here. I hope you enjoy the video and find them useful. Thank you for watching.